Oh, ooh, down.
Will you dance for Mommy again? Do your song. What?
I see.
You want to see? Look, Daddy's feet. Look at this. It's Kenneth's face. You say cheese again?
Cheese.
You pretty girl. Look. See, there's no baby there because you're looking at it. Oh, what's that? Go get some baby.
The nose.
What are you doing? Oh, bonk.
Baby. Where's the auto?
Is she okay? Oh my goodness. Playing Ring Around the Rosie with your baby. You gonna do it again? What happened? Is she okay? Is she ready to go night-night? Is that her going night-night? Oh, you're very nice. Is that worse because he sleeps sometimes? Yeah. Kenna, you're gonna get messy. What are you doing? You gonna read a book and go night-night? You put your baby to bed and go night-night? You gonna read her a book? Kenna, hold your baby where you can see. She can see your book.